a nation demanding lower drug prices, Houston power couple John and Laura Arnold are picking a fight with Big Pharma.
The industry has pushed pricing so far that it's created a fury amongst the populace.
These kinds of companies have a monopoly on the regulatory system, on the delivery system, on the products. So this isn't capitalism. This is a form of, of oppression.
Is this a broken system? A broken market?
It's absolutely a broken market. We have a monopoly with no price regulation on it, and an industry that has co-opted the political process.
The Arnolds made billions. He was an energy trader at Enron, then a hedge fund manager. She was a corporate lawyer. They retired in their 30s and now run a foundation, already putting $119 million toward health care issues.
Does greed play a role?
I don't know that I'd call it greed. I'd call it a desire to maximize profits.
A prime example, say the Arnolds, drug companies exploiting patent laws. Arnold-funded research reveals the companies behind the top 12 selling drugs in the U.S. are trying to nearly double their patent protection from 20 to 38 years, blocking cheaper generic competition while raising prices, an average of 68% over 5 years.
We want the patent system reformed, and we want a regulatory structure that incentivizes breakthrough drugs, not prolonging a patent for the sake of maximizing profits.
The pharmaceutical industry criticizes the Arnolds for focusing on the drug's list prices, which are much higher than what patients actually pay after insurance and discounts.
Drug companies say most people don't pay list prices.
Regardless of whether the employer's paying it, government's paying for it, or the individual's paying for it, at the end of the day, all that money is coming from society. So 2019 is a big year because there are a lot of people who got elected on pharmaceutical pricing, and this is the time when they have to pay up or shut up.
They are on the clock.
They are on the clock.
Lester, in its defense, the drug industry points out that it costs billions to develop a new drug, and that, in fact, 9 out of 10 experimental new drugs never make it to market. But in the Arnolds, the industry now has a very deep-pocketed and very determined adversary.
All right, and thank you. Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.